Most people think financial freedom means having millions, but they're wrong. Because what good is a high income if you have zero time to enjoy it? Imagine earning £200,000 a year, but working 80 hours a week, constant emails, no weekends, no free time. Is that freedom, or is it just a golden prison? Real financial freedom is about time, not just money. And today, I'll show you how to build a life where money works for you, instead of you working for money. Part 1. The illusion of financial freedom. Most people think the answer to their problems is earning more, but the truth is, more money often means more stress. Higher income means higher expenses, lifestyle inflation. High-paying jobs come with high-pressure deadlines. Bigger homes mean bigger bills. Here's the truth. If you don't control your time, you're not free, no matter how much you earn. Part 2. Story of the two millionaires. Let me tell you a story. Two millionaires. Millionaire 1 earns £200,000 a year, works 80 hours a week, always stressed. Millionaire 2 earns £50,000 a year, works 10 hours a week, travels, reads, enjoys life. Who is truly free? The answer is obvious, because money is not the goal, time is. Part 3. What real financial freedom looks like. So what does real financial freedom look like? Waking up without an alarm, choosing to work, not being forced to, taking a day off without asking permission, spending time with family without worrying about bills. It's not a number in your bank account. It's the freedom to live on your own terms. Part 4. How to build time-based wealth. So how do you build this kind of freedom? Step 1. Start a freedom fund. Save 10% of your income in a separate account. Money that buys you time. This could be for a future sabbatical, starting a business, or just having options. Step 2. Build passive income. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Create content that pays you while you sleep. YouTube, ebooks, online courses. Explore rental income, property or peer-to-peer lending. Step 3. Automate your investments. Set up a monthly auto transfer to index funds or ETFs. The less you have to think about it, the better. Step 4. Use your time wisely. Instead of wasting time on social media, learn a high-income skill. Automate low-value tasks, cleaning, admin work, so you can focus on what matters. Part 5. Mindset shift. Buy time, not things. Here's the biggest mindset shift you need. Rich people don't just buy things, they buy time. Instead of a luxury car, they buy time with family. Instead of the latest phone, they buy time to learn, travel, or rest. Ask yourself, would I rather own a luxury watch or have the freedom to wake up whenever I want? Because the wealthiest people don't own the most, they control the most time. Quick fact, the science of time freedom. Did you know? Research shows that people who value time over money are happier, healthier, and live longer. Because wealth isn't just a number, it's a feeling. Part 6. Practical steps to create time-based wealth. Step 1. Create a freedom fund. Save at least £100 a month. This is your escape plan. Step 2. Build multiple income streams. Start a side hustle you enjoy. Invest in assets that pay you monthly, dividends, rental income. Step 3. Automate your income growth. Set automatic savings. Automate investments. Outsource time-consuming tasks. Cleaning, admin, low-skill work. Step 4. Learn to say no. No to unnecessary subscriptions. No to working extra hours for temporary cash. No to distractions that steal your time. Final words. Here's the truth. You don't need millions to be free. You just need control over your time. Time to wake up without an alarm. Time to spend with people you love. Time to work on what you enjoy. So if you want real financial freedom, start buying time, not things. If this video made you see money differently, subscribe to Growth Dose. Comment, I'm buying time, not things, if you're serious. Share this with someone who needs to understand real wealth. Because the richest lives are built quietly, one free moment at a time.